Okay, let's jump right in. For a lot of small business owners, the word supply chain probably sound like a huge headache, right? Something you just have to deal with. But what if I told you it's actually your secret weapon? We're going to reframe this whole thing and turn your day-to-day operations into the silent growth engine that can power your entire business.
You know, for most businesses, it's one of two worlds. On the left, you've got the scramble. Sound familiar? Running out of your best-selling products, dealing with angry customers about late deliveries, and literally watching sales walk out the door. But on the other side, you've got the system, where things just work. It delivers profit, builds amazing customer loyalty, and lets you grow without everything falling apart. The difference between these two worlds, it isn't luck, it's strategy.
And look, this isn't just some nice idea. The data is absolutely crystal clear. A 2023 survey showed that small businesses who really got a handle on their operations grew a staggering 47% faster than the ones who didn't. Let that sink in for a second. Nearly 50% faster growth. This is a real, measurable advantage just sitting there, waiting for you to grab it.
So how do we get you there? Well, we've got a really clear roadmap for you. First, we'll redefine what a supply chain even is. Then, we're going to hunt down your weak spots. After that, we'll talk about turning suppliers into real partners, unlocking cash that's just hiding in your inventory, and using simple tech for huge results. And finally, we'll give you one concrete step to take the minute this is over.
All right, first up, your silent growth engine. Let's actually demystify this machine. What does it really look like for a small business, and why is it so critical to your bottom line?
At its core, it's just the journey your product takes. It's really that simple. It starts with sourcing, buying your stuff, then production, actually making your product. Next up is inventory, storing it in a smart way. Then comes logistics, getting it out the door and to your customer. And finally, returns, handling the things that inevitably come back. That's it. Connecting these 5 dots smoothly is the whole game.
Now, when these dots aren't connected very well, your business literally bleeds cash. It's the money that's tied up in dusty inventory sitting on a shelf. It's those extra fees you pay to rush a shipment because you ran out of stock. And worst of all, it's the sales you completely lose when a customer just goes to your competitor who has what they want, right now.
But get it right, and the results are pretty much immediate. A well-oiled supply chain can boost your profit margins by 10 to 15%, sometimes even more. Seriously, think about that. For your business, what would an extra 10% profit actually mean? This isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about freeing up real cash you can pour back into marketing or new products or growing your team.
So, knowing the potential upside is huge. Where do you actually start? Well, you start by finding the leaks. Let's walk through a super simple, low-cost audit you can do to pinpoint exactly where your system is breaking down.
Just ask yourself these questions and be honest. Are you constantly running out of your most popular items? Do you have boxes of stuff that haven't moved in a year? Is one supplier so important that if they disappeared tomorrow, your entire business would just stop? A yes to any of these is like a big flashing sign pointing to a weak spot.
And here's an incredibly simple 3-step audit you can literally do this week. 1. For just 1 week, track every single order and note the delays. 2. Talk to the people on your team doing the actual work and ask them what drives them crazy. 3. Review the last 10 orders from your most important suppliers. A coffee shop owner I know did this and found that one single vendor was causing 80% of his stockouts. That's an easy fix with a massive impact.
Okay, so now that you've started to find your leaks, let's talk about one of the most common sources, your suppliers. This part requires a huge mindset shift. You have to stop thinking of them as just vendors you haggle with and start treating them like they're an extension of your own company.
Here's a really simple way to bring some objectivity to your decisions. Use a scorecard like this one. Now look closely. Price is only 25% of the whole equation. We've actually weighted reliability higher because, let's face it, a cheap supplier who is always late is actually costing you a ton of money. This forces you to evaluate suppliers based on their total value, not just who has the lowest price tag.
And this is what that partnership mentality sounds like in the real world. Instead of just calling them up to demand a discount, go to your key supplier and say this. You're not just buying from them anymore, you're inviting them to be a part of your success. This one simple conversation changes the entire dynamic. It makes them invested in helping you solve problems, not just in selling you stuff.
Next up, let's talk about what is, for most small businesses, the biggest money drain of all: inventory. Every single item sitting on your shelf is basically cash that isn't working for you.
Our goal here is to unlock that trapped cash by making sure your stock is lean, efficient, and always moving. A super powerful way to do this is with a concept called ABC analysis. All it means is that you don't treat all your products the same way. Your A items, which you can see here, are that small handful of products that generate 70 to 80% of your revenue. They're your superstars. You need to obsess over them. Never, ever let them go out of stock. An auto repair shop I heard about did this and cut their parts-related downtime by 25%. That's huge. And here are 3 quick wins you can implement tomorrow. Seriously. First, always use FIFO, first in, first out. That just means you rotate your stock so nothing gets old. Second, for your low-value items, use the foolproof 2-bin system. You have 2 bins of the item, and when the first one runs empty, that's your signal to reorder. It's so simple. And third, if something hasn't sold in 6 months, run a dead stock sale. Get that cash back into your bank account.
Okay, let's talk about technology. And listen, you do not need a massive, super expensive system to get started. The goal is to find simple, affordable tools that can automate all those repetitive tasks and just give you a clear picture of what's going on in your operations.
If you are still using a spreadsheet to track your inventory, it's time to stop. There are so many affordable tools out there that'll save you so much time and money. When you're looking, just look for a simple system that has these 4 key features. Barcode scanning for accuracy, low stock alerts so you never get caught by surprise, integration with your accounting software to save you from manual data entry, and support for all the different channels you sell on.
Wow, we have covered a lot of ground, so now it's time to turn all this knowledge into real action. Here is your clear 30-day plan to get your growth engine fired up and ready to go.
This is how you make it feel totally manageable. Don't try to boil the ocean. In week 1, just do that simple audit. Find your top 3 problems. In week 2, pick the single biggest problem you found and focus only on that one thing. In week 3, sign up for a free software trial, just to see what's out there, no commitment. And in week 4, have that 15-minute partnership call with your top supplier. Step by step, you build a much better system.
You know, the businesses that really win in the long run don't just have the best products. They have the best systems to deliver on their promises consistently and reliably. You now have the roadmap. So the only question left is your engine ready for growth?